Find the equivalent resistance between terminals A and B. This question is considered easy. Lock your answer in and keep watching to see the solution. First, notice that these 2 ohm resistors are in parallel because they share the same 2 nodes. To combine 2 resistors in parallel, you divide their product by their sum. So this gives us 1 ohm. In general, if 2 resistors are equal, then their parallel combination will be equal to 1/2 of that value. So we can combine them into a 1 ohm resistor. And now notice that this 1 ohm resistor will be in series with this 2 ohm resistor. And combining resistors in series, of course, entails adding them. So we can combine them into a 3 ohm resistor as follows. And again, notice that this 3 ohm resistor will be in parallel with this 3 ohm resistor because they share the same 2 nodes. So we can combine them in parallel, and again we'll get half of the value, which is 1.5. And notice that this in turn will be in series with the 2 ohm resistor. So adding the values, we'll get 3.5 ohms. And this 3.5 ohm resistor will once more be in parallel with this 2 ohm resistor. So this will give us 14/11 ohms for their parallel combination, and then we'll have a combination of 3 resistors in series. So if we add 1 to 14/11 to 5, we'll get 80/11. So this is the equivalent resistance between A and B, and this evaluates to approximately 7.27 ohms. So the correct answer is C. Could you figure it out?